What?
Get in there, Jim.
What is going on, guys? So right now just came to Kyle's bathroom because it's so loud in there because he plays music so loud. But anyways, yeah, today so we are hitting a full pull day. So starting off with deadlifting, me and Evan. I feel like Evan's always deadlifting in my videos, but yeah, we're gonna be hitting a 4x6 at around RP 7 to 8. So somewhere between 400 and like 430 depending on how I feel. Don't want to stress the CNS too much. So yeah, RP 7 to 8, and we're gonna play that by ear. But yeah, just started warming up, kind of sweaty already. We got 365 in the bar, and came in here to film this intro, and we're gonna get right into this workout. So let's get it. How much you want to bet I slip in the middle of this set? So, hand is absolutely chalked. That was only the first set, so I don't know how the rest of this is about to go. Anyways, we are working at 415 though for a 4x6. Feels pretty good.
Truck 15 in the DMC.
I got my typical intermission outside the home gym. Talk to you guys. So 415, went for a 4x6. The last set was a little harder than I wanted, but besides that, it felt pretty good. Honestly, it was moving pretty fast. Lower back, like I said, a tiny bit sore because I hit legs yesterday, but you know, still moved. Hand, a little wrecked. Opened up another little scab on my leg, but you know, is what it is. So anyways, we're about to go hit some pull-ups and just some more pull accessories, little biceps at the end, and basically get out of here pretty fast. I gotta go to Costco with my mom, gotta go shopping, so don't want to be here all day like I typically am. Anyways, yeah, let's get back in this pull workout.
Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go. Bet. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud, first class tickets now. Feet all in the aisle. Everybody looking down, everybody get red when you brown, huh? Looking me up, I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse, bitch, I'm one of the horsemen. I don't need your endorsement, I don't need reinforcement. Giving you your last warning, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Whoa. Have I gone too far? Do you detect something different? If you look inside my head, would you say something's missing? If you could give all your riches just to say the word, would you risk it? These politicians so old, can't tell if the dead where they living. Better ask Kathy Griffin, you know I like to raise stakes. We was always taught to hit the gas, we ain't even know they made brakes. We control our own fate, watching dreams take shape. Try to keep us out, we gon' freak out, turn this bitch to water cake. I don't need your mandate, don't need you to elevate. I'm about to detonate, cause I'm at my prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime. Said I'm at my prime. We at our prime. Hey.
You got the Kyle Nog anabolic bathroom lighting. Kyle, if you're watching this, I'm stealing your bathroom, man. Ooh. That is a wrap with that workout. Pretty good overall. Definitely got some nice pull work in. Love deadlifting, obviously, as you guys know. So, you know, I miss sumo, so I love coming here to get some work in. Although my sumo hasn't really been increasing because I don't do it enough. It's still fun to do. And yeah, about to head home here pretty soon, and I think I'm gonna go to Costco with my mom. So yeah. Anyways, let's get out of here.
Hey, we at our prime. Yeah, I'm at my prime.
Whew. This is my face looking at that sushi because I am so hungry right now. It's not even funny. But yeah, we just got home just a few minutes ago. About to absolutely destroy this tuna avocado sushi. So it says it has like 571 calories. I don't even know how much protein. There's 10 pieces, so you reckon there's like 3 or 4, maybe 3 grams of protein per piece, so like 30, maybe. I don't know, just guessing. But yeah, nice little post-workout snack right now. And then it's only about 5 o'clock, so you know, dinner's gonna be later. Probably a protein shake before bed. I don't really know. Not gonna worry about it too much. Just gonna enjoy this sushi right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout video. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one. Peace.